We'll guide you through how to edit audio in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and load your project by selecting it from the Project Manager. Once your project is open, navigate to the Fairlight tab at the bottom of the interface. This tab is specifically designed for audio editing. Here, you'll see your audio tracks laid out. You can start by selecting the audio clip you want to edit. Click on it, and then use the inspector panel on the right to make adjustments like volume, pitch, or pan. If you need to cut or trim your audio, use the blade tool, which you can find in the toolbar above the timeline. Simply click on the blade tool and then click on the audio track where you want to make the cut. To apply effects to your audio, go to the effects library found on the left panel. Here you can drag and drop effects like EQ, reverb, or compression onto your audio track. If you need to adjust these effects, double-click on the effect in the track header, and a detailed settings window will open. You can fine-tune your settings until you achieve the desired sound. For noise reduction, look for the noise reduction plugin in the effects library, which can be very handy if you have background noise you want to eliminate. Once you're satisfied with your edits, don't forget to save your project by clicking on File and then Save Project. Finally, when you're ready to export, go to the Deliver tab, set your render settings, and hit Add to Render Queue, followed by Start Render. This will ensure your audio and video are combined and exported as a finished product. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.